from 3SNY and New York Drive Motor Club. We have an unboxing today. The first thing that should be kind of obvious is this how big is it?
It's a 72-inch classic. I think it's a classic. I don't really know exactly if it was the classic or the epic.
Epic.
Because, yeah, the epic, yeah.
It was the epic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I was sticker shock and I'm still like...
So yeah, so it was really expensive, but Dave got a good deal because the SnapOn guy that he uses is really nice, but you can see how big this is just by scale, both of us standing here. See how massive this is. But anyway, we got a whole bunch of stuff. Got something from Home Depot, got some stuff from Amazon, and then we made a humongous order from Chemical Guy. So we're going to start going through the boxes. You can do the small one first.
We'll do the big one first.
Alright, sorry, whatever. So the first thing we got, this is from Lowe's. So, since we bought stuff from Chemical Guys, obviously we're going to need a power washer. Dave wanted to go with electric.
Because the Greenworks is a 2700 PSI unit. It's I think it's the biggest one that they sell off the shelf. I think, well actually no wait, I think they have a 3200. But this is big enough for what we're going to use it for. Just foam canning cars. So this is more than enough for what we were using it for. As electric, there's no, nothing really to maintain. All the guys over here, we don't have to worry about them, starting the motor up with no water, or knocking the thing over and spilling the oil out, or whatever. No fumes. It starts up every time. Don't have to worry about any of that nonsense.
Yeah. So I'll put the model number and
it's a GPW 2700.
Yeah. On the link below. I'll put a link below so you can check it out for yourself if that's something you want to look into. So that's that. We can open this later. Leave that out of a little box.
Not a little bit.
Yeah, when you can open up the. All right. So this thing I bought from Amazon. I think in a previous video I did one where.
We had the adapters. Didn't have the.
Yeah. So the other one I bought, which is we used for a vlog video, was the white bristles. So white is the softest bristles you can get. This one I bought these stands to make the second floor for our garage. So it has a lot of rust in it. So black, as you can tell here, is the hardest. So this is for removing rust. So instead of buying like a media blaster, I'm going to try this first and see how this works, and then we're going to try this on other things that are rusted. Maybe this will help. I forgot what it was. I think maybe it was $16, $17.
Yeah, it's the stuff you do for the carpets also. You could agitate the carpet with yeah.
So the white one is for carpet, the black one is for like barbecue grills. You could loosen up paint. It's for ovens, and it just says industrial. The white one actually says you could even use it on leather, so that's that. Again, link will be in the description below. Alright, so now,
The chemical bag.
So, you're going to bear with us, it's going to be 3 boxes. So this is Chemical Guy's Woolly Mammoth for drying. 3 of these, 4 of these. The other reason why we do unboxings is because we have to go through the whole inventory anyway, just to make sure we weren't shorted anything. But since we're doing this on video, if we ever have to call the company back and let them know that we were shorted, at least it's on video and it's a record of us not getting what we were. So these are just generic. They're called Workhorse professional microfibers. There's 3 in a pack. We have 6 of these. These are Workhorse. So these are the same things in blue. You can watch the videos, but why didn't you?
I just wanted to open.
No, something smells like fruit.
Oh, it's this thing.
Oh.
Sorry.
So the reason why you use different colors is so people don't use them for like different things. So blue would typically be glass, and I guess gray could be for like interiors or stuff like that. So we got 6 of these. What the car club does with regards to car washing stuff, since we use the car club funds to buy this stuff. We buy it if you need it. It's here, and but we also encourage all our members to bring their own sponges and
Wash mitts.
and drying
them back to
and put the hose back. But
or not run it over. So we have to keep buying $30 nozzles every time.
this is detailing brush if you want to scrub for anything that you want to agitate. This stuff might be a little overpriced, but I wanted to check it out for myself. I already have something similar to this with our cleaning supplies, but I wanted to check it out for myself and touch it, see the difference.
Yeah, it looks like just like a generic one with the chemical guy sticker on it. You know, I have this similar one. It looks almost exactly the same as this, and all the bristles start falling out of the actual holder after you use it a few times. So maybe it's made in Taiwan instead of China. I mean, who knows?
Anyway, keep moving.
This stuff is awesome.
Here, you talk.
The hydro suds, the cleaner. I use this in like in the foam cannon. It has like it's like for if you have your car ceramic coated. It has like the SiO2. What is it? Yeah, SiO2. I guess it has like the what is it?
What do they call it?
Yeah, it has the shielding properties of like I guess it has a ceramic. What do you call it? What do we call it? Material component built into this wash. And it seems to leave the surface a little bit more glossy, like when you do like a ceramic detailer or like a spray wax, like Griot's Garage has, or they have like a ceramic detailer also. It gives it that deeper gloss. But when you wash it with this stuff, it seems to leave it a little bit more glossy without doing anything to it.
So we got a couple buckets, as you can see here. I know I bought more buckets, but we also bought grit guards. They should be in the other boxes, but I think I got grit guard for each bucket.
The dirt traps? Yeah, these things are awesome. If anyone's not familiar with these, it basically keeps all like the debris when you wash the mitt. It goes through these little tubes, and it has like a smaller end on the back side to keep it from kicking it back up and getting stuck in the mix. So it keeps the water a lot cleaner. So when it all settles down, it just settles to the bottom and stays there.
So we got them in 3 different colors, and the reasoning for the colors is the same reasoning behind the towels. Yeah, one's for washing, one's for rinsing, and one could be for wheels and tires. So this way you don't cross-contaminate. This one is called the Ferret. So this is for cleaning inside the wheels and hard to reach places, like stuff like that. I have a boar's hair brush that I use for agitating the wheels, and this one is definitely stiffer. The bristles are definitely stiffer than that, and it's got some weird. I don't know what it is. I'm probably gonna have to cut that. I don't know what that is, but always inspect your tools before you use them. So you see this? So it's probably gonna have to get cut.
The metal?
No, it's just like a plastic. So it's called the Amazing Ferret Wheel and Rim and Engine Brush. That could do some damage right there.
Yeah, oh shit, wow. Yeah, this is definitely not supposed to be here. This is like the...
It's like the wiring code they use to secure it.
Yeah, probably.
It's probably steel. Anyway.
Yeah. The green microfiber.
Yeah, these are just generic chemical guys. Microfibers.
Is that air pressure?
Yeah, so you want to open the other box too? Because I think I bought a couple. So these I bought for myself. I didn't want to, waste the car club's budget on these kind of things. So it's just more or less just that stuff. If you watch their tutorial videos, you'll see that you're supposed to spray it inside your vents and have the AC recirculating. So it goes through the filter and then you spray it on the fabrics itself. So this one is watermelon. So I could have sworn I ordered more. Again, that's another reason why we do these videos, is make sure that we get what we ordered. Yeah. So we got some wash mitts. So if any member wants to come wash their car and they didn't bring their own wash mitt, they have to buy it and they're going to take it home with them, and this way they wash themselves, because contrary to popular opinion, we do not have a washing machine. What else? Again, the same thing, more wash mitts. So, I could do this one. Is it the Blacklight? Blacklight. Okay. So if you look through their website, because I literally went through the entire website, looked through the entire inventory of stuff. Apparently, if you have a dark colored car, this is the soap you use. And if you have either a white car, you use a different soap, and then there's ones that are just for everything. So Blacklight is for darker colored cars, and we're going to use the 2-bucket method. Also, again, you just watch their videos and you can see the tutorial. So that's what all the extra buckets are for. And we just got to buy a card, so all the members, after they watch the video, they can do the same thing. And got this.
What is that, Blacklight too?
Yeah, this is Blacklight. Right, so the plan for this is, instead of leaving huge buckets where, it could be potentially wasteful, we're just going to use this. We're going to store these things, and we're going to
just fill them.
Yeah, just refill them as they use them. Right. So that's the Blacklight. There, you do that. Actually, can you say what else?
I don't know what we bought.
Okay. So this one says no nonsense invisible super cleaner. So this doesn't have a smell and doesn't have a color in it, but you use this primarily for the interior, as per their tutorial videos. And I saw before and after, and it looked good to me. I don't know how this is compared to other interior cleaners. We have a couple already in the shop, so I'm not going to do a video on it, but I'm definitely going to compare it to
tough stuff.
Yeah, the other things. This is just the bigger container of that no nonsense invisible super cleaner.
Is this some foam? Is it the honeydew stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is for the foam can. This is the snow foam. It has a honeydew smell. This is like the ultra high foamy compound, whatever the hell they call it. So it basically is just foam. Just comes out of the thing. So they have like the mini foam gun, and then that you hook up to the nozzle, and then they have the actual one that hooks up to the pressure washer. And this is what they keep recommending. I use that at home. This stuff, I think 2 bottles of it. The smaller one of this, the what is this, a gallon? Mm-hmm. The half gallon, I think they come in. I used almost a whole half gallon. Actually, a whole half gallon, and it works awesome. Yeah. What is this? The eggless microfiber. Happy endings. Oh yeah,
That's
usually
like
it's just for residue, usually, is what these ultra plush.
They're like finishing, yeah, for finishing. Alright, so again, 16-ounce version, gallon version, and let's do this.
That's the same thing.
Yeah, that's, we did that one already.
And
This one is citrus washing gloss. So again, this has car washing components, but it also has like, what's it? Super scent, but it also has some protectant or sealant on there, so it kind of looks like wax. And this we've actually used, and this one actually works pretty good. So we got the 16 ounce and the gallon version, and then we got two items that I've never used before. So this one is called Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash. So you're supposed to be able to use this without water. And so this is good for your car shows or, you know,
on the go.
on the go. Yeah.
I don't know how good I would trust any
So there's
waterless car wash. But
so we got a beater car out there, and then I guess we could play with that so that we don't damage anybody else's car. But it also has like gloss enhancers. So in other words, there's again some type of thing to make it look like wax or some type of sealant that's on there. I'll do these real quick. So these are applicators for put on the tires. I didn't.
This is the new clear wash bucket.
This way you can really see how much dirt's actually in there. So we'll figure out how we're going to utilize all three buckets. I actually have a fourth one next door.
I got 4 of them at home too.
So this, I guess this is the last thing?
Yeah, that's it.
So this is the last thing. This is called HydroSpeed. It's a detailer, but this is also
Get you mad high.
used for safety use with ceramic cars. But the other thing is, even if your car does not have ceramic coating, it's actually good for that also. So it gives you the same type of effect that a ceramic coating would. It just wouldn't last as long because it's a fairly thin coat. So yeah, we're going to try these out also. Anything else? All right. Oh, actually, so Dave bought this. I don't know. Where'd you get it from?
The SnapOn.
The
It's
SnapOn.
like it's like a tray for like tools. They have a little one also.
So you can see right there, this is a Snap-on product. It's very pliable. It looks like you can kind of see it's raised or indented. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like 5 magnets in here. It's probably those earth magnets. Yeah, rare earth magnet, whatever you want to call them. So this is a 27-inch ratcheting wrench. So it's most of it, right? So let's see if this holds. Ready?
Yeah, it's really fucking strong.
So, I mean, I'm not the biggest proponent of using Snap-on products because I believe sometimes Harbor Freight is good enough. But when I saw this and I saw how strong that it was actually holding this thing, like even one magnet could actually hold this thing. So this is actually kind of impressive, and it looks like it's made really well.
Snap-on, baby.
Yeah. So I don't know what it costs. Like I don't even want to know. But
I don't think it's expensive. $20 or something.
yeah. So this is another product that I think is cool and maybe brought to you guys' attention, and maybe you guys can look into it and maybe find this useful. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and thanks for watching.
Me!